Here I will show how to create group and user and add user to a group. Okay, at first create a user add. This is to create user. Let's say Tom is the user we are going to create, right? And type this command and press enter, and Tom is created. Now we need to create a group add. Let's say cat is the group. Cat is created. How to add this? Usermod minus append the group name cat and Tom. We're going to add. It's done. How to see? Have this command cat etc. Okay, you can see here that Tom is created, and type here cat group. You can see here that cat is the group and Tom added. Okay, and here is the Tom ID. Okay, this is ID. How to delete? At first you have to delete the userdel minus R. Remove also the home folder. Tom, delete this, and now user group del cat. So group is deleted. This is how to create group and user and add and delete. That's all.